Angels and Dudes.
Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel, Angels and Dudes. I'm Sarah.
I'm her little brother Steven.
And today we're going to be making monster bath bombs that get rid of BO.
Wait, what's BO?
Body odor. The reason why these get rid of body odor is because they have African wild cucumber, which is a plant that helps get rid of body odor.
That the one that helps you not stink?
Exactly that one. These bath bombs smell like monster
Poop.
Ew, no. Yes, no. They actually smell like marshmallow clouds.
And like a dino boss.
They're so fizzy.
Maybe do a fizz test?
Sure, but which one are we gonna fizz?
This one is his head is eating his eye.
No, but this one is losing its form. It's losing shape. It's shedding. You know it's supposed to be a cube, right?
What?
Yeah. So should we do this one?
Fine.
Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends.
Also, don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell for notifications.
Because if you don't, you're gonna miss all of our videos unless you come back every Tuesday. Let's get on to the video. How to make monster bath bombs that get rid of BO. These bath bombs not only get rid of body odor, they're really fun to give out at parties, and they make a great candy alternative for Halloween. Learn how to make these cutesy-spooky monster bath bombs. They get rid of body odor and are really fun to give out at birthday parties or Halloween parties. They also make a great candy alternative for Halloween and are a real treat for all. The ingredients are baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, sea clay, African wild cucumber-infused sweet almond oil, essential or fragrance oils, soap colorant or food coloring, and candy eyeballs. In a large mixing bowl, add baking soda, citric acid, Epsom salt, and sea clay. Mix well until combined. Make sure to break up any clumps. Slowly drizzle essential or fragrance oils and half of African wild cucumber-infused sweet almond oil. Mix quickly. Then slowly add more sweet almond oil until the mixture is moldable. Divide the mixture into several mixing bowls. Add a few drops of coloring into each bowl. Stir the mixtures between each drop. For the spherical bombs, place a candy eyeball, pupil facing down, in half of the molds. Scoop the mixture over the candy eyeballs, pressing down firmly. Fill the other half of the molds, pressing down firmly. Scoop some more mixture loosely on top. Then press the two halves together firmly. For the cubed bath bombs, place 2 or 3 candy eyeballs in the molds. Make sure pupils are facing down. Scoop the mixture over the candy eyeballs. Press together firmly. Allow the bath bombs to dry in their molds for at least a few hours or overnight. Then unmold and store them in airtight containers. To use, drop 1 bath bomb in a warm bath and watch as your tub turns into a witch's brew. Enjoy!
Now the moment you've all been waiting for, the fizz. Ready? Born to be. Sacrifice! 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 Woohoo! Yay! He's trying to see. He can still see us. He can still see us. Like belong. This is like a dino boss.
It's rated.
But yeah, there's like mist above it. It's probably from the reaction. You can still see. This is probably not a very fun way to go. Oh, his eye. It's being eaten. Goodbye, old friend. Bye-bye, Billy.
He can't see us anymore.
Oh, his eye fell off! His eye fell off! It does smell good though.
It smells good.
Did you get rain stuff in your nose?
Of course.
Oh gosh.
It's still there. I want to touch it.
Don't touch it.
Fine.
That's a nice sound.
Wow. Amazing. 10 out of 10.
This is the last little chunk of his body. It's about to all go away.
Right there. Oh, it isn't rushing by like, oh, so much better than that.
Goodbye, Billy. You will be missed.
But where is he now? Back in heaven?
Yep, that's exactly where they go.
It's so mad about anything the bubbles pop. I can watch these
Like
bubbles
so
pop.
many come and then they pop and it's so weird.
Pair these cutesy-spooky monster bath bombs with our antibacterial body sprays. Marshmallow Clouds and Lycadeno Boss body sprays are lightly scented and alcohol-free. They are a light, refreshing weighted fragrance and keep you odor-free all day long. They also contain African Wild Cucumber, the amazing plant with powerful antibacterial properties that get rid of body odor instantly. These antibacterial body sprays are Marshmallow Clouds and Lycadeno Boss. These sprays are good because if in the morning you don't have time to shower, you can just spray these all over you. And you won't have to worry about stinking because these get rid of body odor. Marshmallow Cloud smells like marshmallows and sweet and smells so yummy. And Lycadeno Boss spells a command. A good smelling man. Okay. These are available at angelsanddudes.com. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. We hope you guys enjoyed these monster bath bombs and get rid of BO.
Oh yes.
Bye. See you next week.
Wait, what?
Got him. Angels and dudes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.